Machines and systems keep our world in motion. Fast, powerful, precise, intelligent. Germany is the leader in the construction of production equipment. The worldwide most innovative solutions for factory buildings come from here. Creativity, flexibility, speed, as well as profound knowledge of products and processes are requirements that are necessary for a competent supplier of machines and systems today. Based on always up-to-date knowledge of state-of-the-art technology, combined with the ability to plan developments far into the future. Requirements for the solution of even the most complex tasks. The engineers, mechatronics engineers, and software specialists of ZF Maschinenbau have always met these requirements, planning, designing, and building for customers from all over the world. ZF Maschinenbau was founded in 1923 as an internal service provider. The aim was to generate competitive advantages through process know-how developed by us. This claim still holds true today. Every new project starts with a recording of production requirements and general conditions, with extensive consultation by our engineers. By using the latest digital engineering tools, we ensure that already during the development phase, the design work leads to error-free results. The models are the basis for the creation of a digital twin to ensure an ideal machine sequence. Together with the central purchasing department, we procure all necessary components. In this way, we achieve the best conditions for your plants and systems. Through simultaneous engineering, our software specialists shorten the machine manufacturing time by working with the digital twin. Once the control software has been installed, only minor adjustments are required to ensure that the system starts up smoothly. This digital twin will continue to play an important role in the future when it comes to avoiding plant downtime. This is because potential problems such as those caused by wear and tear are detected by sensors in Industry 4.0 and thus identified at an early stage. This enables us to provide spare parts in good time. We enjoy having our customers from all over the world as guests. They are present during the construction and commissioning of their equipment, so they can incorporate their wishes in detail and at the same time receive training in control and operation of their machines. Before delivery of the system, we prove the process and machine capability. This guarantees production according to the highest quality standards right from the start. With the help of versatile and modular concepts, we adapt your systems perfectly to the actual requirements. For example, with cycle time or product variants. In this way, future changes can be implemented more quickly and easily at the customer's request. For shortened development times, earlier use of machines, and accelerated conversions. All this saves time and money. retrofit from old to new. We also take care of our old systems, test them, and make them fit for the future. We do this by integrating new machine parts, replacing the control system, and updating the software. This lifelong system support often helps to avoid new investments. ZF Maschinenbau, your international partner for the construction of modern high-performance machines and systems. From our headquarters in Schweinfurt, we supply machines and systems all over the world. From our location in Shanghai, we especially serve the whole Asian region. So if you are planning production capacities, please contact us. We are always here for you. ZF Maschinenbau, the engineering service provider also for your production systems worldwide.